This is week 11 of my 60-second video series, and today we're making a Caprese salad. Let's get started. Hey, real quick before we get started, this dish tastes way better in the summer when tomatoes are in season, but if you can get your hands on some good tomatoes right now, you're golden. Just make sure you wash them. We're just gonna remove the stem. This middle part's pretty bitter, so I'm just gonna remove it with a paring knife. Be very careful, I don't wanna get sued. And now it's ready for slicing. I like to cut the mozzarella thicker than the tomato. For the basil, we're going to do something called a chiffonade. You can see I have the largest basil leaf right here, and the second largest one we're going to place inside of that, and keep repeating that with the different sized basil leaves until all of them are stacked up against each other. And you're going to roll it until it looks like this. Just like that, this video is not made for kids. Thank you, Kappa. And we are just going to slice this basil into nice little ribbons. Now we're ready to assemble our salad. We're going to place a piece of mozzarella, just like so, and top it with a slice of tomato, and keep alternating between the mozzarella and the tomato, just like you're shingling a roof. Only this roof is made out of mozzarella and tomato. Now we're going to place our basil right on top of the tomato and mozzarella. Top it with some balsamic vinegar. Finish it with a little bit of salt and some black pepper. And you're ready to serve. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'm Lendy with Small Bites. See ya.